Just as dragons are back on TV, a real dragon appeared in Girona, Spain. Not a CGI dragon, not a studio dragon, a flower dragon, winding through the medieval stone streets near Girona Cathedral. And the setting makes it even better. These are the streets around Girona Cathedral, and if they look familiar, there's a reason. The grand staircase outside the cathedral was featured in Season 6 of Game of Thrones, standing in for the Great Sept of Thaelor in King's Landing. So before House of the Dragon brought audiences back into the world of fire, bloodlines, and ancient houses, Girona had already played its part in Westeros. But during Temps de Flors, Girona's famous spring flower festival, the city becomes something else entirely. Old courtyards, staircases, churches, and narrow passageways are transformed into floral installations. And tucked into these old stone steps was one of the most striking pieces of the festival, a dragon installation called Temps de Flors, Cor de Leyenda. Roughly, dragon, tale of flowers, heart of legend. The piece is inspired by the dragon of Sant Jordi, or St. George, one of Catalonia's most beloved legends. But what makes this installation so beautiful is that the dragon does not feel dropped into the city. It feels like it was already there. Its body stretches along the steps. Its tail is woven through flowers. The wood, the greenery, the orange and yellow strands, the old stone walls, everything feels connected. Almost like Girona had been holding this creature in its memory the whole time. That is what makes Temps de Flors so special. It is not just flowers placed in pretty locations. The best installations create a conversation with the architecture. Here, the dragon moves with the city. The stairs become the dragon's path. The stone walls become the scene. The visitors become part of the story, walking beside it, photographing it, stepping around it like they have stumbled into a legend. A few steps away, the cathedral staircase had another massive floral installation, colorful, mosaic-like, and dramatic against the same steps once used for Game of Thrones. So the whole area felt layered. Medieval Girona, Catalan legend, floral art, and a little echo of Westeros. With House of the Dragon back, dragons are once again being seen as symbols of power, war, inheritance, and conquest. But this dragon feels different. This one is not about destruction. It is about memory, craft, spring, and the magic of an old city turning itself into a living story. That is the beauty of Girona during Temps de Flors. 1 minute, it is a medieval city filled with stone staircases, narrow alleys, and cathedral views. The next, it is a place where Game of Thrones once staged King's Landing, and just around the corner, a dragon is sleeping in the stairs. No CGI, no green screen, just flowers, stone, legend, and Girona knowing exactly what it is.